Hello everybody, this is Rod, the English teacher, with one more quick lesson for you. And after a long time today, I'm gonna bring you an acronym. I'm gonna bring it because I see it so much on TikTok. P.O.V, which means literally what it means in real life, point of view. So the next time you are scrolling through TikTok, you'll see that P.O.V means point of view, but in this sense of the word. Your point of view, your own judgment, your own opinion, your own perspective. I hope you like this. See you. Thank you.
Hello, it's Rod's friend here, Gino from Real Everyday English. Sorry for interrupting your video. I just want to make a quick recommendation that you subscribe to Rodrigo's channel. He's an amazing guy. He's so humble. He's so dedicated. And he creates absolutely fantastic content. See you people soon. Bye-bye. God bless.